Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, the future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter, or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, the actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature, I'll go on. I'm prepared to evolve. Are you? I am the rainforest. I watched them grow up here. They've left, but they've always come back. Yes, they've always come back. For my trees, their wood. My plants, their medicines. For my beauty, their escape. I've always been here for them, and I have been more than generous. Sometimes I gave it all. Now, gone, forever. But humans, they're so smart, so smart. Such big brains and opposable thumbs. They know how to make things, amazing things. Now, why do they need an old forest like me animal? Jungles, trees, well, they do breathe air, and I make air. Have they thought about that? Humans, so smart. They'll figure it out. Humans making air. That'll be fun to watch.